The following video is a LANDIS 3RH cylindrical grinder. It is a 30 by 72. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, we'll go ahead and start the hydraulics. We'll go ahead and test the workhead. And we'll fire up the spindle. We'll set it for automatic. Got to set the increment on both directions. We've got the spark out set for 3. Starting to get spark out now. Now it's reset, ready for the next step.
Again, the following video is a LANDIS cylindrical grinder.